Hello there, this is Eli at SafeNet. I would like to show you how to find details about runtime environment and what was fixed, what has been fixed in the latest driver in comparison to the older ones. So first of all, download the latest driver. To download the latest driver, just go to our website www.safenet-inc.com, and over here go to support and choose the HASP. And in most of the cases you'll find it in the first place. Here is the command line runtime installer. Once you download it, I have already downloaded it and opened the zip file. So you can find the hasp.exe, which is the command line installer for the runtime, and in addition to it you always have a readme HTML. This readme HTML is a very useful one. First of all, you get details about operating system supported and other details. But what is important to note is the fact that you have here issues resolved in this release. So you get details about exactly what has been fixed for this specific release, and you also have a version history in which you can see the different versions of the older runtime environments and what has been fixed for each one of them. So if you, for instance, have problems of when login feature would fail, etc., this one, and you find out that it's related to 6.60, so you might find that if you get a later one, then you most probably have a fix for it. This is a very useful way of controlling what has been fixed for every version of the runtime environment. Thank you for watching.